Hey everybody, so I wanted to make a quick video update. This is day 4 and what I have sprouted so far. I started these off in Pro Mix mixed with organic compost and organic worm castings. I'm using a heat mat. I also have a humidity dome, 7-inch humidity dome. The light I'm using is about maybe 24 inches above this tray. It's the Optic LED Fat Slim 104 watt dimmable. I think it's like Fat Slim XL or something like that. But anywho, most of these seeds are from Baker Creek. They have a pretty cool selection, and so I'm very excited to see how these do indoor. I like to strictly grow indoor because I don't have to worry about the outside elements or if it's too dry or whatever. Like right now it's snowing pretty bad outside. So I'm very fortunate to be able to see these little green guys. It definitely helps with my cabin fever. I start to get depressed after a while. I don't know. I love the winter and stuff, but it's just not for me. Well, the snow and stuff. But yeah, so what we have here is Celtis. I'm going to be thinning all this stuff here soon. Then we have the Midget Melon 1. I'm excited to see it. Cucumber, bok choy, nothing over yonder. Sweet Italian basil, red and yellow cherry tomato. These are the patio choice variety. I'm very excited to see how these grow. I was thinking about thinning them and then just do like one plant per cell. But then I was thinking, like, what if I just grow multiple, like how there's multiple sprouts? If I just grow all of them, but then like bury them, you know what I mean? But keep them all in the same pot and then see how it goes from there. But I really don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see. I'll probably end up doing something crazy. I don't know. We have Swiss chard. I don't know what's up with that little guy. Looks like it's dying. I don't know. It's not liking life. We have Roma bean, eggplant. This eggplant I'm really interested to see because it's a white variety and it actually looks like eggs, so it would be a trip, you know, like literally eggplant. But anyways, so we have milk thistle and then some catnip. Moving along to the lemon drop watermelon. That's a cute little guy. From the side it almost looks like the plant from The Little Shop of Horror. But if you go to the side it's going to be really thin. It just looks funny. Yay! I'm happy. Welcome to the world. Yeah, lemongrass and sorghum. This is a dwarf sorghum, a grain variety. I've been scouring the deep corners of the internet for a dwarf sweet variety, and I happen to find one on Etsy, which is in the mail. I can't wait to see how that goes. Yeah, it'd be nice. Grow some sweet sorghum indoors and get my own sorghum juice. Woohoo! So this is basically it. I'm very excited. I wanted to share my happiness. Thank you very much.